In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page in Squarespace. Whether you're building anticipation for a new product or simply want a placeholder. While you finalize your new website, this simple guide will walk you through each step needed to set up a sleek coming soon page. First, you'll want to open your Squarespace account and guide yourself to the page section. Here, you'll find the foundational tools you'll be using today. Once there, look for the option to add a new page. When you click that, a menu will prompt you to create a new page. You'll want to select the option for a blank page. This gives you the freedom to design your coming soon page exactly how you'd like. After you've created a blank page, it's time to name it. Simply type in coming soon page. This will make it easily identifiable when you go to make further edits or adjustments. With that done, you're ready to bring your vision to life by clicking on the Edit button. The Edit function is your gateway to customizing the page to look and feel just how you want it. You'll see an option to add sections, which is the next step. Every great coming soon page is built upon designated sections where you can add specific content such as text, images, and even a countdown timer. Now, from the available templates, select one that is specifically designed for a coming soon page. This will offer you a ready-made design that's easily adaptable, saving you time while ensuring a professional appearance. Once your template loads, click on the text area. You'll then want to edit this text to boldly state, "Coming soon." This makes it crystal clear to your visitors what the status of the page is at the moment. Still in the editing interface, find and click on the Scale Text option. This feature helps you to adjust the size of the text smoothly without losing clarity, ensuring that "Coming soon" stands out strongly on the page. After perfecting the text, you might notice other elements within this template that you don't need. Click on each of these extraneous elements and delete them. This immediately declutters the page, allowing your important message to take center stage. Satisfied with your edits? Great! Go ahead and click on the Save button. This ensures all of your hard work is stored safely. Lastly, click on Exit and find the gear icon next to your new page. This icon opens up a menu where you can designate this page as your home page. Doing so sets the Coming Soon page as the first thing visitors will see. Don't forget to click Confirm to finalize your choice. With all these steps, you now have a professional and captivating Coming Soon page in Squarespace, ready to welcome future visitors while you complete your full site or upcoming launch. Keep this page updated, and soon enough, you'll be ready to reveal exciting new developments. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guidance helpful.